Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to tell you how to fix iPhone keeps disconnecting from Wi-Fi. If your iPhone keeps disconnecting from a Wi-Fi network, the issue might lie in the software or the backend. In this video I'll tell you how you can fix this, but first subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is check if airplane mode is enabled. If the airplane mode is enabled on your device, your iPhone will block all connections. For this, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open the control center. Look for the airplane mode icon. It looks like an airplane. If the icon is orange, it means it is enabled. Make sure to turn it off and you're done. So in the next step, I'm going to tell you how to verify if you are connected to the correct Wi-Fi network. Sometimes you may have saved passwords from previously connected networks, which may automatically connect your phone to a different Wi-Fi network than intended. To check if you are connected to the correct Wi-Fi network, go to Settings, go to Wi-Fi and verify if the network name listed is the one you intended to connect to, and you're done. Now in the next step I'm going to tell you how to restart your iPhone. A recent update or app installation might have caused technical issues with your device network setting. To eliminate this, try restarting your phone. For this, press and quickly release the volume up button and same with your volume down button, and hold the power button until the slide to power off option appears. Drag it to power off your device. Wait for a few seconds and hold the power button to turn on your device again. So in the next step, I'm going to tell you how to disable all VPN connections. If you are using a VPN on a slow internet connection, there is a high chance that your network speed will be severely affected. For this, go to Settings, go to VPN, tap on its toggle button if it is enabled, and you are done. Now in the next step, I'm going to tell you how to reset your network settings. After completing all checks, you have the option to reset your network settings as a last resort. Open your iPhone settings, go to General, scroll down, click on Transfer or Reset iPhone, click on Reset, select Reset Network Settings. It will ask you to enter your passcode, so enter your passcode and follow the on-screen instructions and you are done. I hope this video will help you fix the issue. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.